How to import Bitcoin wallet. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to actually import your Bitcoin wallet. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Right here is the home page of my B account. So in order for you to actually import your wallet, you need to go ahead and click on the wallet icon found at the bottom of the screen. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, do it to hit the subscribe button and notification bell in order to get more updates like this. So right here on your wallet section like this, the next step you need to take is to click on the three-line icon beside the screen right here. You can see that on the screen. Click on it like this. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on import tokens. You can see that right here. So once you do that, looking right here, you can see Ethereum or whatever coin you're actually seeing there. You need to go ahead and click on it, scroll and click on Polygon. Select Polygon like this. Now go to this video description and you're going to see the contract address right there on this video description. So you need to copy it and paste it right here like this. So once you do that, looking here, you can see B, you can see 18 as the token decimal. The next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on confirm. So looking right here, you can see that you've been able to connect your Bitcoin to your wallet using the Polygon Network. So in order for you to actually withdraw your Bitcoin, if you're actually mining this, in order for you to withdraw your Bitcoin, I'm going to make a full video for you on that when it is actually time. I'm going to update you guys when it is time to withdraw your Bitcoin from your account. So you just need to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get updated whenever I upload helpful updates like this. And if you haven't liked this video, do it to hit the like button. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.